What's up everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted photos from your Android phone. So first thing we need to do, we need to open Play Store and then we need to type in the search bar Disk Digger Photo Recovery Photo, and we need to download this application. Once application is downloaded and installed, we can click on open and this window is going to start, and now we just need to click on Start Basic Photo Scan. And right here, this pop-up box, we need to allow. And now we're just gonna have to wait until it's gonna scan your entire phone and it's gonna tell you how many files can be recovered. Once scan is complete, you can click OK. And right here, you can select any pictures that you would like to recover. And once you select, you press on recover. And right here, we need to choose where we would like to save. It's giving us three options. If we would like to save to a cloud, just to a file location, or upload through the FTP server, we're just gonna click the middle one. We're gonna save to the file. And right here, I'm just gonna scroll down and I will choose downloads and I'm gonna click OK. And once this is done, right here, you can just click no thank you. And now you can go to your downloads and find a file that you just recovered. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.